The railway. A symbol of progress, connection, and transformation. From the dawn of the steam engine to the high-speed networks of today. These tracks have shaped economies, societies, and personal journeys. But how has the railway evolved? And what challenges has it faced? The story of the railway begins in the early 19th century, when steam power revolutionised transport. Today, high-speed trains connect continents, redefining how we travel. For much of history, railways have been seen as a national asset. Many governments took control, ensuring stability and accessibility. But nationalisation came with challenges. Ageing infrastructure, inefficiency, and financial strain. The 20th century saw waves of privatisation, bringing in new investments but also raising questions about affordability and reliability. The balance between public and private control remains a global debate.
I must give the British people a very simple instruction. You must stay at home.
Then came COVID-19. The pandemic emptied train stations overnight. Passenger numbers plummeted and revenues collapsed. Government stepped in with emergency funding, but the railway faced an uncertain future. Remote work, travel restrictions, and economy shifts changed the way we move. Yet, in adversity, new opportunities emerged. Digital ticketing, improved safety measures, and a renewed focus on sustainability. The railway is more than just transport. To some, it's a lifeline, a daily necessity. To others, it's a symbol of adventure, nostalgia, and engineering marvels. Train enthusiasts celebrate its history.
I got out of bed at 4:30 this morning as I heard that there was a really rare train coming through Shawford Station. It's a Class 56 and it's due through here in a moment.
While commuters rely on its predictability. Each journey tells a different story, woven into the very fabric of our lives. Through war and peace, crisis and progress, the railway endures. Its future is shaped by innovation, policy, and the people who depend on it. As we look ahead, one thing is certain: the railway will continue to be a path forward, guiding us into the future.